Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best wood chisel sets in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. REXBETI 10PC Premium Wood Chisel Set. This set is geared toward beginners and would be a good choice for tackling minor home repairs or a first woodworking project. It contains 6 chisels from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches, a sharpening stone, a honing guide, 2 carpenter pencils, and a carrying case. The 6 chisels are of decent quality, and the size range is adequate, from 6 mm, good for accessing tight shoulders, as when creating a tenon, all the way to 30 mm. The vanadium steel blades are factory sharpened, but since we detected a burr on the edge, we can't say that they were sharpened particularly well. Fortunately, the included sharpening stone comes with 2 grits, one coarse and one more fine for enhanced sharpening. The chisels feel really good in the hand, thanks to a rubber grip for comfort, a bonus during rough carpentry, like whipping up a backyard shed. The hardened plastic handles have metal striking caps to be extra resilient against regular malleting. The metal strike plate on the bottom of each chisel makes us think they're designed to withstand hits with a metal hammer. Number 9. Kirschen 110100 6-piece chisel set. This set is the most expensive on this list and charges a little more for 6 pieces than the Stanley 8-piece set. Made in Germany using German steel, the pedigree is an attractive one. Their construction quality makes them worth the price, and you also get a box to keep them in. When it comes to hand tools, you get what you pay for. This is a very high-quality set of tools that is priced reasonably. It is nowhere near the top of the price wars but manages to sit at the higher end. The hardened steel makes it difficult to sharpen, but that's the trade-off you get for chisels that retain their edge longer. This is an excellent choice for those looking for their premium set that will last a lifetime of use and then be handed down. Number 8. IMOTECHOM Woodcarving Chisels. Apart from having a rather strange name, this entry is set apart from the rest by the fact it is more of a woodcarving set than a woodworking set. The price for this 12-piece set is lower than the 4-piece Stanleys up above. It is not the cheapest set of its kind on the market though, and is liked by users who are willing to make an effort to tune them up. For the price point and variety of this set, there's not much that can be faulted except for the edges that need some work before you can start. That said, as far as chisels go, almost all need work before you can use them. This set makes for really great tools for getting started with, and they can last long with proper usage. Number 7. MARKETTY Professional Woodcarving Chisel Set. This last set from MARKETTY comes with a whopping 12 pieces. Although that's a ton of chisels, we were surprised to find that each blade is made with high-quality carbon steel, which keeps the blades light but durable over the long term. We also like that each of the chisels comes sharpened and honed upon purchasing, so you don't have to do it yourself right off the bat. The sheer variety of different chisels gives you plenty of woodworking tools to enjoy. There's practically a size for every need. You also get several straight chisels that don't feature beveled edges for more direct carving into a workpiece. The chisels come with wooden handles for aesthetic value and user comfort, though they aren't particularly ergonomic. There's also a lack of a striking cap, but the handles are durable enough you shouldn't have much trouble if you decide to use a mallet with them. The carrying case the chisels come in also serves to keep the tools organized long after they've been shipped to your door. Even after all this, the set is reasonable. Number 6. Hurricane 4 Pieces Wood Chisel Set. The Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set comes with 4 pieces and an excellent range of sizes, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, specifically. The blades are also made with chrome vanadium steel to improve their durability. Special heat treatments guarantee excellent edge retention over the long term. They also come with side beveled edges for more versatility and sideways carving. The handles are specifically designed for high-impact durability, so don't worry about breaking these if you decide to use a hammer or mallet. The actual gripping sections of the handles themselves are a little small, though, so woodworkers with larger hands might find them a bit uncomfortable. The handles do come with special guards to stop your hands from slipping onto the blades, however. It's also incredibly affordable. We think it's a good starter kit if you have smaller hands and want something to use with your favorite mallet. Number 5. Amazon Basics 8-piece wood carving chisel set. Amazon Basics has brought us another reasonably affordable set with chisels ranging in size between 1/4 inch and 1.5 inch. 8 chisels are included in total, and each features a blade made with heat-treated, chrome vanadium steel alloy. The blades feature narrow side bevels that might be a little different from what you're used to. But the added bevels on the sides allow you to use the blades in more than one configuration. Furthermore, the chisels have contoured handles that are phenomenal for their ergonomic comfort. The downside is that the plastic material that the handles are made of isn't particularly durable or shock-absorbing. The set also lacks the steel striking caps, so you may not want to use a mallet with this set. The entire kit comes with a special storage case for easy organization. All in all, it's a decent set that even comes with another sharpening block for added longevity if you use chisels more with your hand instead of in conjunction with hammers. Number 4. Narex 863010 Woodworking Chisels. This Narex 863010 is a set of 4 chisel tools, each of which features blades made from chrome manganese steel. The blades are all hardened after the fact to ensure phenomenal sharpness and so that you can use them with particularly hardwood species without breaking them. Their sizes range from 1/4 inch up to 1 to 1/32 inch. The last chisel, sized at 13/16 inch, is a rarer type you'd normally have to buy on its own. The handles are all made from a kind of European beechwood, which is lacquered to prevent water damage and ensure long-term durability. They also feature phenomenal shapes so they're comfortable to hold. Metal strike caps will allow you to use them with a hammer, and the wood even absorbs the shock from a hammer strike a little better than you would expect. All in all, it's a phenomenal wood chisel set that you can even get for a decent asking price. The only downside is the lack of larger chisels, which marks this as a more precision-oriented set. Number 3. VonHaus 10-piece Premium Chisel Set. Now we get into the pricier picks. This VonHaus Premium Chisel Set comes with 10 pieces in total for a much higher asking price, but it also comes with an elegant and aesthetically pleasing wooden storage case. Even better, the kit comes with a sharpening stone, so you have everything you need to keep your chisel blades sharp and functioning over the long term. You get all the chisels and sizes you need for a full set in the collection, ranging from 1/4 inch all the way up to 2 inches. Additional accessories, like a honing guide, ensure that even beginners will be able to sharpen their own chisels without messing things up. The blades are all made with chrome vanadium steel and feature beveled edges. They have rubberized and ergonomic grips, plus metal strike caps for use with hammers and mallets like the last set. Essentially, it's a 10-piece version of the last chisels without accessories. We think it's a perfect premium choice for professional craftsmen or hobbyists who don't want to go back to the store to pick up extra accessories as they develop their skills. Number 2. WORKPRO 3-piece wood chisel. These chisels from WORKPRO are also a great choice, featuring added value because of the type of steel the blades are made of. They're chrome vanadium steel blades with special heat treatments, which means that these chisels should retain their edges for years to come, even with heavy use. The blades all feature beveled edges so they can be used for multiple purposes and are ideal for a variety of wood types and hardness levels. We also like that these chisels come with steel butts on the handles. This will allow you to use a hammer or mallet without damaging the handle at all. Blade guards at the end of the handle will make it more difficult for your hand to slip down to the blade and get cut when using a mallet. It's easy to see from the design that these are intended to be used for more hardcore chiseling compared to the first set. Their ergonomic handles and affordable price will make them a favorite for professional woodworkers or serious hobbyists who use hammers in conjunction with their chisels more often than not. All in all, this is one of the best wood chisel sets for the money, bar none. Number 1. Stanley 3-piece wood chisel set. This Stanley 16 to 150 set only includes 3 pieces in total, the bare minimum for it to qualify as a set, but each chisel is truly excellent. For starters, the blades are made with heat-tempered carbon steel, which is lightweight and durable. This ensures excellent longevity and sharpness. Even better, the steel blades are all coated with a special protective material that can prevent rust. Thus, the chisels should last for a long time to come even if your maintenance routines could be more frequent. The chisels also all come with black polypropylene handles. This is a special type of plastic that may not be as aesthetically pleasing as wood, but it's phenomenal when it comes to durability. Plus, the handles can absorb a little bit of shock. This will help keep your hands from taking during long woodworking tasks. The chisels are each sized differently, of course, with beveled edges. Sizes included are 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. To make things even better, the set can be purchased for an excellent asking price. All in all, it's a phenomenal starter or basic chisel kit that has the few core pieces you need to start woodworking before you start expanding your collection, and takes our pick as the best wood chisel set available this year.